Below us, the Earth harbors an intriguing revelation. Extensive gaps, wider than one might imagine, traverse the planet. Ranging from substantial canyons to vast sinkholes, come along as we explore the top 10 widest cracks in the Earth's surface. Are we adequately informed about the potential hazards beneath, with the ability to alter the planet's exterior? Let's dive in. Number 1. East African Rift. In East Africa's vast landscapes, a significant geological event is unfolding before us, a gradual splitting of a continent into two. Introducing the East African Rift, one of Earth's most active rift systems. Extending over 3,000 miles from the Jordan Valley in the Middle East to Mozambique in the south, this rift is more than just a fissure in the Earth. It's an expanding division poised to reshape maps and ecosystems over millions of years. What sets the East African Rift apart is its status as an active, divergent tectonic plate boundary. In simple terms, the African continent is undergoing a slow process of tearing apart. Over countless years, the Somali Plate and the Nubian Plate have drifted, giving rise to this vast rift valley. This dynamic process is transforming the Earth's surface. Scientists anticipate that in approximately 10 million years, this rift will progress to a point where it splits the African continent, forming a new ocean. The movement of tectonic plates has also facilitated the rise of magma, leading to frequent volcanic eruptions and the creation of striking landscapes like the Ethiopian highlands. Number 2. Kjeragbolten. In the heart of Norway's breathtaking fjords lies an exceptional natural wonder. The Kjeragbolten, this substantial rock, wedged between two cliffs on Mount Kjerag, hangs over a 984-meter abyss, providing a unique thrill and a photo opportunity for the adventurous. Formed around 10,000 years ago during the last ice age, Kjeragbolten became lodged in a mountain crevasse as glaciers retreated, signifying nature's equilibrium and resilience. Despite its modest size of approximately 5 cubic meters, it remains anchored against gravity, securely positioned despite the elements. The journey to Kjeragbolten is as impressive as the destination. Explorers traverse Norway's stunning landscapes, navigating steep trails and rocky paths, potentially crossing a suspension bridge. This challenging hike rewards with unmatched views of the fjords and mountains. Upon reaching Kjeragbolten, the real challenge commences. Stepping onto the boulder is a test of courage. With nothing but open air beneath you, the height can be dizzying. Yet, for those who summon the courage to step out onto it, the feeling is exhilarating. You're standing on a natural marvel, suspended between heaven and earth, with the majestic Norwegian landscape spread out before you. Number 3. Tater Hills. In the rolling prairies of Alberta, Canada, there's a location where the earth unveils a network of deep cracks that extend beneath the surface. This spot is Tater Hills, a less publicized but equally intriguing illustration of the Earth's dynamic processes. Unlike the fiery cracks in volcanic regions, Tater Hills display a distinct kind of fissure shaped by natural actions such as erosion and sediment movement. Part of the Canadian Badlands, renowned for their distinctive landscapes, Tater Hills have evolved over millions of years due to the influences of water and wind, molding deep valleys, hoodoos, and fascinating cracks. These earth fissures, formed as clay-rich soil, expands and contracts with moisture variations, can be several meters deep. Walking amidst them feels like navigating a colossal puzzle, each step unveiling a fresh perspective of the Earth's intricate patterns. What adds to Tater Hills' allure is the ever-changing nature of these fissures. They fluctuate with the seasons, at times wide enough to engulf a mature tree, and other times nearly imperceptible. This dynamic quality makes Tater Hills an exhilarating and somewhat unpredictable destination to explore. Geologically, it provides a spectacular glimpse into the past, with layers of sedimentary rock narrating a story of ancient seas, river deltas, and fluctuating climates. Fossils are frequently discovered in the area, remnants of creatures that once inhabited these ancient environments. For budding geologists and paleontologists, Tater Hills stands as a potential treasure trove of discoveries. Number 4. Thors Well. Back in Oregon, There's another natural wonder that seems to challenge nature's rules, situated along the rugged and scenic coastline. Known as Thors Well, often referred to as the drainpipe of the Pacific, this impressive opening in the ocean appears to continuously engulf the surrounding sea, presenting a captivating and somewhat imposing spectacle that attracts photographers and adventurers globally. Thors Well is located near Cape Perpetua and is believed to be a collapsed sea cave formed by the relentless force of ocean waves. The opening is about 20 feet deep and can pose risks, particularly during high tide or storms when the water vigorously churns, shooting upward and then receding into the seemingly endless hole. What distinguishes Thors Well as a distinctive geological feature is its interaction with the ocean. During the appropriate tide, water flows into the hole from the bottom, filling it internally, then bursts upward in a striking spray. Shortly afterward, the water drains back into the hole, establishing a rhythmic and captivating cycle that is both visually pleasing and awe-inspiring. Number 5. Reelfoot Lake. In the northwest corner of Tennessee, in a region known more for rolling hills than seismic activity, lies Reelfoot Lake, a unique body of water with a fascinating backstory. Unlike lakes typically formed by glaciers or river deposits, Reelfoot Lake owes its existence to a series of powerful earthquakes during the winter of 1811-1812 in the central Mississippi River Valley, reaching an estimated magnitude of 8.0. Though the epicenter was near New Madrid, Missouri, the effects resonated as far as New York City and Boston. These quakes altered the landscape, causing the Mississippi River to change its course and flood a wooded area, resulting in the creation of Reelfoot Lake. Even today, you can observe trees standing in the lake, their bare trunks silently recalling the dramatic birth of the lake. Covering about 15,000 acres with an average depth of around 5.5 feet, Reelfoot Lake is one of the shallowest lakes in the state. Beyond its seismic origins, Reelfoot Lake is a vibrant ecosystem and wildlife sanctuary. The lake and surrounding wetlands harbor a diverse array of birds, fish, and other wildlife. When you visit, you'll encounter a serene setting with cypress trees adorned in Spanish moss and water lilies floating on the surface. Number 6. Grotta. Known for its role as a filming location in the popular series Game of Thrones, Grotta in Iceland is a captivating natural wonder drawing fans and geologists alike. Situated near Lake Mývatn in northeastern Iceland, this small lava cave features an inviting thermal spring, serving as a natural geothermal spa that showcases Iceland's volcanic activity and provides a place of beauty and tranquility. Grotta's charm lies in its contrast. Despite its exterior appearing as a rugged crack in the lava field, stepping inside reveals a world of warm blue water and smooth rock walls. The cave comprises 2 sections divided by a narrow entrance. Upon entering, one experiences the Earth's warmth, with steam gently rising from the thermal spring at the cave's bottom. The water in Grotta is heated by the volcanic activity beneath Iceland's surface. Historically used by locals as a natural bathing spot, it offers warm waters reaching temperatures of around 113 degrees. However, during heightened volcanic activity, the temperature can become unsuitable for bathing, highlighting the ever-changing nature of Iceland's geothermal landscape. Adding to its appeal, the cave has a historical past as the dwelling place of the outlaw Jan Markussen in the 18th century. Over time, it has become a favored spot for both locals and tourists, providing a distinctive experience of bathing in a cave. Number 7. Val De Molini. Located in the picturesque terrain of southern Italy, Val De Molini, or the Valley of the Mills, is a geological marvel with a rich history. Formed more than 35,000 years ago through volcanic activity from Campi Flegrei and Vesuvius, this deep gorge underwent further shaping by a small, unyielding stream. Until the early 20th century, the valley buzzed with industrial activity, hosting mills powered by the stream for grinding wheat and other goods. With advancements in industrial processes, the mills were abandoned, allowing nature to reclaim the decaying structures with its greenery. Today, Val De Molini is a serene location where the remnants of human innovation coexist with nature. Ivy and moss embellish the weathered stone walls, crafting a surreal landscape reminiscent of everyday life scenes. It serves as a reminder of a bygone era when natural streams played a crucial role in industry and human survival. Visitors can leisurely stroll through this captivating site, exploring pathways that descend into the valley, revealing the intriguing interaction between ancient man-made structures and the enduring beauty of nature. Number 8. Rio Grande Rift. In the southwestern United States, spanning from Colorado to New Mexico, lies a notable geological feature, the Rio Grande Rift. Unlike many globally recognized rifts, the Rio Grande Rift is situated in a region teeming with cities and towns spanning approximately 700 kilometers in length with varying width, establishing its significance among North America's geological features. The Rio Grande Rift represents a vast and still active zone where the Earth's crust is gradually undergoing separation, a process initiated around 30 million years ago. This gradual stretching has given rise to basins and ranges, defining the distinct topography of the area. Exploring this region reveals evident signs of the ongoing separation in the dramatic landscapes, ranging from the lofty peaks of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains to the profound chasm of the Rio Grande Gorge. Today, the rift has profoundly influenced the landscape, shaping the picturesque Rio Grande Valley and impacting the region's water resources. The area boasts natural hot springs, notable volcanic formations, and diverse ecosystems, all stemming from the geological activity beneath the surface. The Rio Grande River, coursing through the rift, plays a vital role in sustaining various ecosystems and communities. These landscapes have been home to indigenous peoples for centuries, holding cultural and spiritual significance. Number 9. The Kumbu Icefall. In the lofty Himalayas, on the route to Mount Everest's summit, lies one of Earth's most treacherous yet fascinating spots, the Kumbu Icefall. This constantly evolving ice river is riddled with deep crevasses capable of engulfing sizable structures and towering seracs prone to abrupt collapse. It presents a considerable challenge, particularly for seasoned climbers, yet its allure draws adventurers from around the globe. Positioned at the head of the Kumbu Glacier, just below Everest's western CWM, the icefall takes shape as the glacier descends from the Himalayan peaks. The gradual movement, approximately 0.5 to 1 meter per day, crafts a perpetually changing landscape of captivating yet risky ice formations. The Kumbu Icefall stands out for its deep crevasses, occasionally concealed by thin layers of snow, heightening the danger for climbers. To navigate this hazardous terrain, climbers rely on ladders and ropes strategically placed by seasoned Sherpas, referred to as the Icefall Doctors. These courageous individuals continually adjust to the shifting ice dynamics, modifying the route regularly. Number 10. Moda Fault. Exploring the scenic landscapes of Guatemala in Central America unveils a geological wonder, the Moda Fault. Extending about 300 kilometers, this fault serves as the dividing line between the North American and Caribbean tectonic plates, leaving a visible mark on Guatemala's terrain. The Moda Fault falls into the category of strike-slip faults, where adjacent land masses horizontally shift past each other. Instead of smooth, continuous movement, this fault undergoes sudden bursts of activity during earthquakes. The seismic event in 1976 remains a significant reminder, causing tragic consequences and emphasizing the need for earthquake preparedness and improved building practices in the region. What adds to the intrigue of the Moda Fault is its substantial impact on shaping Guatemala's landscape over millions of years. The persistent movement along the fault has shaped valleys, ridges, hot springs, and mineral deposits, providing a vibrant display of the Earth's dynamic crust. As tectonic plates engage in their perpetual dance along the Moda Fault, the land undergoes a transformation unfolding over geological epochs. Valleys emerge, their contours defined by the unrelenting forces shaping the Earth's surface. Ridges rise and fall, tangible evidence of tectonic interplay beneath the ground. Hot springs bubble forth, reflecting the Earth's internal heat, finding release through fractures formed by the fault's movement. Mineral deposits intricately woven into the landscape tell a tale of subterranean wealth brought to the surface by the fault's activity. The geological story written by the Moda Fault is one of constant change, where the Earth's crust serves as both canvas and artist, creating patterns that captivate observers. Against this geological backdrop, Guatemala's terrain becomes a living canvas, illustrating the resilience and adaptability of the natural world. The Moda Fault, with its slow yet inexorable movement, continues to shape the landscape, leaving behind evidence of the enduring dynamism of our planet. The seismic event of 1976 serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of living near such geological features, emphasizing the importance of understanding and preparing for Earth's forces. Communities along the fault's path must balance embracing its natural beauty with acknowledging potential risks. In essence, the Moda Fault embodies the intricate dance of geological forces, where the Earth's crust becomes a stage for the ceaseless movement of tectonic plates. As we marvel at the landscapes it has forged and the stories it tells, we're reminded of our place within the larger narrative of our ever-evolving planet. Thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos.